Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. We have now successfully completed our sale order entry, and we are reviewing. Actually, it is a process of review that we should make sure that the system is free from all the hidden errors and any room of immediate improvement is required, then we do it before we finalize it. Okay, uh, so far we have tested it with respect to the order number 80. It was working fine. 11 items have been uh, created, and 81 also. Order number 81 has 6 items, and they both are allocated successfully. The stock has been allocated successfully. Okay, 80 and 81, right? And this column J is showing you the allocation references. These are seems to be very good, nicely referenced and uh, consistent. Okay, 64, 65, 66, 67 like this, 71, 72, 73, and so on until 7. So 11 items of that counts 11 years. If you count it from here, these are the 11 items, and these are the 6 items they have with us. So how about the others, which are although marked as allocated, but this is inappropriate. The allocation has to be having some reference of inventory document. Okay, so let's start with the 82 and see. And if there is any room of improvement, we will do it. Okay, so let's go to the 82, order number 82, and see whether we are able to allocate properly all the line items or not. So it has the 2 items. If you select one, yeah, this is having enough quantity available, and it is passing 10 quantity. That's fair enough. Later on, it is going to be only 55 balance, right? Whereas this is 250, and the quantity available is 200. 200, whereas the quantity is being posted, that is 250. So if we update it, the system should give us an error. Right? Yes, it is giving an error. The insufficient stock of this quantity because you have only 200 quantity available, whereas you have. But the issue is that uh, we do not have anything to make. We only we can change the discount, but we cannot do any because the system is saying that it has already been allocated. So one thing we can do is that we enable it by removing the allocated. Because this allocation which was marked there, that is wrong, that is incorrect, right? So let's see if we remove the allocation and flag there, and then we try quickly run it, and does this become enable or not? So let's close it, and we go to SO detail, and in here for the 82, if we remove it, because this was a false allocation. Allocation has to have some reference. Okay, so we remove this. And now we try to run it. Okay, so we go to 82, right? Okay, so this is listed. Now, if you click here, right? Click here. So it is still showing that it is, you are unable, you are not able to post it. Okay. You are not able to mark it allocated because that is due to the formula. There is a formula that calculates uh, the flag, right? Because and that so we bring it back. So what we have to do here is that in the validation of the form, we will check if this error is displayed, then we enable the prod product drop down. Okay, so let's go to the form. In the sale order form, we have this update, right? Yeah, right. And in the update, we have the insufficient stock thing in the validation, I think. Yeah, when it is, yeah, this is update and this is the go validate in the go validate. So we put a breakpoint in here. Okay, fair enough. Okay, now we run it again. So I'm showing you that this is how we should figure out the problem, put the breakpoint, and make the improvement in the system, right? So 82, let's press F. We are going to the order number 82, that's fine. And when we click an existing one like this, okay? Okay, so this is not enabled. So what we do, we go to the update, right? So this is the breakpoint. So here we have the control, right? And we press F8, and as soon as it displays message, this is the here where it is displaying the insufficient stock. So soon after such an error, it should, what we want the prod to be enabled. The product dot enabled is equal to true. Okay. So let's see if it does it or not, right? First of all, the message will come. Yeah. So for the first one, it is valid. Okay. The next one is this. Now it is going to enable it. Yeah, it has enabled it, right? Fair enough. Now, okay. So we don't want the prod to be enabled. We want actually the quantity. Yeah, the quantity has to be enabled. Fair enough. We go that. We do it again. Okay. So we click the update here. Fair enough. We go there, and we go to the message here. Instead of this, we will make it quantity. So quantity dot enable is equal to true. That's right. Okay. So let's run it. Okay. That's right. This is first item. This is the second item. And here it is, it has made this enabled. Fair enough. And here we are going to adjust it so that the quantity is, the error is clear and uh, it can be posted now. Okay, so the record can be now updated, right? So we have pressed this, let's update it. So this, and we have to rewrite here. This also we have to check it first on that we should just pressing enter should be enough. Anyway, so this is adjusted it, and now we can update it. So it is going to revalidating it and ready to write, and it has written it, and that's it. So this how we do the improvement and error checking and testing and making the improvement as and when it is required during your testing. But it has to be done before finalizing the system. I hope you enjoyed it and look forward to your joining us in the upcoming videos as well. Thank you very much for your support.